My name's Alex Volokhov from Nelson, British Columbia. We're up in Alaska right now, and we're riding some bikes, looking for some lines, exploring around. So I brought my 2022 Rocky Mountain Slayer, size large. This is a pretty special bike. It's a bit more purpose-built. I got a few mods to make it a mullet. So for my wheel setup, I got Schwalbe tires wrapped around some Industry 9 wheels. Inside of those tires, I have some Cushcore inserts, which are really, really important out here. So in the front, I got a 2.9 Magic Mary. In the rear, I got a 2.75 Big Betty. I really like this combo. It's good for a lot of different things. I went with a bit harder of a compound just because the soft stuff will just get chewed up really quick here. For suspension, I'm running SR Sun Tour. We got the new 2.9 Rux in the front, and then their new Vivoro coil shock in the rear. All custom tuned, and yeah, it's awesome, man. I love it. Very progressive. And yeah, takes the hit so you don't have to. For grips, got Sensus grips. Been running them for years. Don't think I could run anything else. I got FSA bar stem cranks, seat post, all the bearings too. For brakes, I'm running the new Hope Tech 4s. Really gotta trust your stuff out here, and your brakes are your lifeline. So I put all my trust in these things, and they deliver. Basically just parts I trust out here, because when you're riding these lines, sometimes stuff can go sideways, so it's nice to trust your gear. And yeah, I love this thing. It's definitely a bit different than my regular setups. Way softer tune all around. Perfect for out here, really.